Good day, everyone. Today is the 24th of July, and it's Thursday. We have two red folder news, which is unemployment claims and PMI. So right now, I am bullish. I'm pretty bullish for the day, guys. 50 low, four low was taken out, but yeah, we're having really bullish bias. Got an SMT on this low. Yeah, I'm pretty bullish for the day. What I want to see to get taken out is just London highs and Asia highs. SP500 already took that, creating us a bearish S&P, but I believe that bearish S&P has already played out. Basically, this flow right here. Higher time frame, we respected the consequent enroachment of this 4-hour gap and had a strong reaction out of that. Also, SP500, we had an S&P out of this highs, which gives us a higher time frame bearish S&P, but I'll be pretty flexible today. I'm aiming to have a trade during market open, like before or during market opens, or as soon as the market opens. They still have news at 9:45. Just looking right now for a certain feeder race. Maybe I missed out on something. But yeah, I'm overall bullish, or at least manipulate to this London highs, then go lower, or at least here. I'm waiting for manipulation here. If we manipulate on this fair value gap on this internal range liquidity and rejects, or this breaker block over here rejects, definitely aiming for these equal lows, even previously lows, because we have all of these low of liquidities. But I'm pretty bullish knowing the fact that we respected the 4-hour ultra value gap, like the consequent enroachment, and the hourly gap. Uh, this was holding long time ago. Gap was what, 4 a.m. So yes, that's yesterday's gap, and we have never closed below the equilibrium. So having that bullish bias because we are respecting bullish feeder rays and disrespecting bearish feeder rays. And we have an SMT here. Reasoning for a bullish bias for the day. We're currently holding internal S&P. Let's see if we break this S&P. If we manipulate higher and reject from the high time frame breaker block on this internal range liquidity, then my draw is going to be lower. But if we manipulate lower, let's say London lows and market open, I'll be short focused or bearish biased. But it seems like we're creating this trendline liquidity or low resistance high side liquidity. It just gives me either a reason for the price to go higher since it's just generating all of this buy side liquidity, or also a reason for us to go lower if we manipulate here first on that bearish 15-minute bearish flag. Hi guys, I low-key missed the initial trade here, but yeah, this will just act as a forward test. I was waiting for more reaction. Yeah, this was a change in state. This was a clean model, and we had already a bullish internal S&P. Yeah, I do think this would be a quick ass trade if we took this. Like, yeah, we low-key missed it. Even though I was really anticipating for that, but I'm just waiting for reaction over here. I'm low-key having a bearish bias right now because I'm thinking that this will be the manipulation move. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. We have this breaker block here. Hi guys, a quick loss out of market open, guys. I had an internal SMT here, took shorts and got taken out. This was a valid internal SMT for me. But yeah, it's now going lower if you can see my executions. I did take that trade. I think I did take those shorts, but was mad taken out. We are right now just floating to the downside. But yeah, that's my first thought, guys. I lost here, 0.5%. Really steep stop loss because obviously I don't want to lose extra. So right now, just gonna chill out, guys. We're gonna wait for the news to come out, or not necessarily like the news to come out. I just see any reaction out of this London lows. So be able to take it out. But this London highs, the bullish price is still intact. Okay, we have an SMT out of this low. We have an bullish SMT right now. I mean, there's no like imbalances, like let's say any sort of a value gap that we can inverse. So yeah, for some maybe this is good. But for me, that Doesn't work like this one is a market structure shift. But for some people, will this stand like a forward test T, but I want imbalances to see if we can have another V-sweep here. We can have another V-sweep in this stage. Hi guys, I like this setup over here at an inverse value gap. Basically, you can call this maybe like a market structure shift. Yeah, I'm pretty convicted with this long right here. It's just we're gonna have news on 9:45, and we can easily just wreck through this. Because for me, the draw right now, I want to see an S&P in this London lows, bullish S&P in this London lows, then take long to this London and Asia highs. Because manipulating lower, we have a manipulation here, the market open, but I do believe we're gonna have another manipulation, guys, on this lows. Okay, so the plane right now, the gap is holding. Pagan state, I'll be entering. I'm gonna have time to enter. I'm in longs, guys. This is gonna be my last trade of the day. If, when is or not, it's gonna be the last trade of the day. Currently in longs, and it's gonna be my break even. And we'll take partials at this London high. My feel was quite bad actually. My feel was this week. Take partial this London high, break even on over here. So yeah, my draw is definitely higher. If I get stopped out here, I'm done for the week. For me, this inverse bag up should hold. And I'm pretty bullish today, so I'm just following. And the price is just showing me that we're bullish. Yeah, I'll de-risk actually here. Because this low should hold because we have a fair value gap over here and also have an inverse value gap here. So I'll be de-risking, guys. Currently just risking. I'll be taking partials at the low and highs. By the way, I put my stop to break even. Almost forgot to. Do we have a bearish SMT? Oh well, we do actually have one. I took partials. It's pretty much a London eye. So I took partials there, half my position is out. And my stop turn break even. So this trade is a risk-free trade. If I hit full take profit, that's gonna be another $94. So just chill. Cool. I like my entry here. Stop loss 19.08. Currently have a bearish SMT. Yeah, I'm just keeping this trade. Did have a bearish SMT, but this might be stopped out of break even here. That's a little bit an exit confluence, but I low-key didn't follow my rules on that one, guys. I was too convicted, even though we already have an SMT. That is wrong. Yeah, this is like a reflection during in the trade. We already had an SMT, sort of took my contract out a little over a percent. We inverse the gap. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get stopped out here. Here's my position, guys. I low-key didn't follow my rules again. SMTs are exit confluences. Yeah, not stopped out yet. Very close though. Those are exit confluences, but that's something I could improve in the future. Not in the future, but pretty soon. Because I've been seeing that it's usually my issue lately. Yeah, I'll be stopped out here at break even. I got stopped out at break even, guys. I'm still up on the day, but I became a little too ambitious on those longs. A little too ambitious. We had a bearish S&T. I should have took all of my contract at this high. So yeah, we had a win and a loss today. That's my mistake there. You already have a bearish S&T out of this London highs. And I didn't want my, it's ego thing in my opinion. And I do believe we're actually going down in London lows, bro. Had an S&P, I didn't pull my trade out. I just took 50% off. I pull all my contracts out there. Number one, I followed my rules. So if that even goes higher, it's not my business. It's today pretty much ended 100.5% of the day, more like 4.4% of in the day. I mean, blue day is a blue day, but if you fail to follow your rules, you the green and like to in some sense is this candle, what is that? 947 candle was this. We took those highs. I should have pulled my entire contract out here. Pulled it out like 1.2% of the day, but it is what it is. We keep on, we just keep on learning every single day, guys. So just recap, this was my first shorts, right? Got stopped out, minimal loss. I risked the same type of lot size. Second trade was a clean setup. Problem again was the exit. Another problem with the exit. There is S&P, but it turned out to be. Sorry guys. Forgot to hit my outro earlier, so yeah, I hope you found this video beneficial and valuable, and just a reminder to stay sharp, stay disciplined.